First use, Cryotrek Aviation Transport Container 1. Remove the canister from the container and weigh it. Record the weight in kg. Fill the container with liquid nitrogen to the bottom of the neck tube. Wait 2 hours. Top up the liquid nitrogen to the same level. Wait another 2 hours. Pour out the remaining liquid nitrogen and weigh the container again. Record the weight in kg. Calculate actual nitrogen absorption. Final weight, initial weight, 0.808. Absorption capacity. Compare your result to the theoretical value. Some variance is expected. Atmospheric pressure and manufacturing tolerances both affect real-world absorption. If the numbers are reasonably close, the absorbent is saturated and the container is ready. If the gap is large, do one more cycle. Fill to the neck tube, wait 2 hours, pour out the LN2. The container is then ready for use.